Hey, good morning everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to install Windows 10 machine. So I will go step by step with the Windows 10 of installations, and I hope you will learn. And later on I'm going to join it with Windows Server 2016, of course if I have a time, because I want to make the videos in 15 minutes. For the LinkedIn policy, it doesn't allow me to post a video more than 15 minutes. So let's get started. You can either click on a new or just click here in machine and click new here. Just type, I'll name it Windows 10 here, and here we are gonna select other, and I have already have Windows 10 ISO file, so I will just click here and skip unintended installation. Click here next. Let me increase the memory here up to here just for the best performance. Next, and for the disk size I'll put it here. Next, and then finish. As I'm using the network adapter, the bridge adapter, because I want to connect it with my home Wi-Fi, so I'll just click here next, and I'll bring this to the bridge adapter. In advance I'll give allow all, because I want to obtain an IP address from my network. Click OK, and let's get through installation. Let's wait to open up this. So in this video I'm going to install this Windows 10. Along I will change the Windows 10 name, because I want to see that the same name while I'm going to join it to the server. And then I'll see if I have a time I will do other stuff as well, or otherwise I'm going to do it in the next part. We'll go step by step. Make it bigger. So let's move on. I'll just leave everything on a default. Click here next, and just click on install now to start the setup. And here I'm going to click I don't have a product key, and I'm going to install Windows 10 Pro, because I'm going to join this to the domain controller. Accept the license and keep move on. And here I will just install the advanced only. Click here next, and the setup will be started here. So right here it's gonna take some time, like around 4 or 5 minutes. Let me pause the recording and I'll get back to you like after finishing these settings, and I'll just unpause the recording. So see you later soon. So I'm just done with those setup, and let's wait for this. The Windows gonna be restored for a while, so let's wait a little bit for that, and we'll do the next step. The one part that I just showed to you, that it was the page that it says status, and it was keep running 200. So for that one you just need to wait until you see the green check mark. After it complete the green check mark and finishing up, then you will see these restarting page windows. So let's wait for this, and it's gonna ask password and more stuff. But let me see what's gonna asking this. I'm not sure how long that's gonna take. Let's see, it's saying it's getting ready. I'm not sure how long this gonna take, but I think it's gonna take a lot of time. But let me pause the recording again, and after this is done, I'll get back soon. So let's see. It's keep restarting. So let's see what's gonna happen and what are the other step it is asking. It's keep restarting several times. I hope we'll go this setup soon. So for this one we need to click the region United States and click here next, yes. So we'll provide just basic information to this Windows. And here again you need to click yes. And for the layout you need to keep skip it. I want to skip this. So it says now we have some important setup to do. Let me pause the recording here again and I'll get back. So I'm just with each steps. Let's wait for this. It says just a moment. Setup is almost done. And for this one I'm going to click on the personal because I just need like some challenge for this. It is pretty much the organization and the personal both have the same setup and everything is pretty much the same, but I just need a personal, so I need to click on personal because I just need a challenge, like if in case I'm getting a computer from someone that is a personal and they want to join it to our server, so how I can do that. For this one I need to click on offline account and then here limited experience and type here, I'll just name it IT guy, then click here next and put the password that you want. And here will be a few questions that is asking, that is just for security questions, that if in case you forgot the password you need to answer this question in order to reset them. So answer them properly or write it down somewhere. So just wait here. Here click not now. I just want to go quickly with this. Accept. I'll just check mark all of these just to make sure I have everything in this window. Accept. Then here click accept again. So we're done with installation and I have only 2 minutes left. Let me pause this recording and I'll get back and I'll change the Windows name to hacker or something. So here again I just went through all the setup, so I'll just click here to minimize this and I'll just need to let me just rename this PC to something. And for the other setup, especially for the IP addresses, IPv6 and more, I will do setting later. So in order to rename the PC you need to click here setting, and in the setting, you see, in the setting click here system and go down, click here about, and here you need to click rename this PC advanced. But remember, if you change the PC name to something, here I have this name, it doesn't make sense, so I'll just name this hacker. Remember, if you change the PC name to another name, you need to restart your PC in order to get effect. So say you must restart. So since this is restarting now, I want to finish up with this restarting, and I hope you learn and follow each steps. If you have got any question, just put it in comments anytime. I'll answer them as much as I can, as soon as I can. So I hope you enjoy and learn it. Thank you so much and have a good one. Take care.